Lady, where today you'll notice I'm not in my usual kitchen, but I am back in Harriet Busby's kitchen, who is the owner of Border Berries, where you can come and pick your own berries in the Scottish Borders. And today we're talking about one berry. Well, is it a berry?
It's a currant. It's a currant, so it's not a berry.
We're making blackberry. We're making blackberry?
Blackcurrant cordial.
Blackcurrant cordial. That's why I'm getting confused. I'm thinking blackberry. We're making blackcurrant cordial.
It's an important difference. It's good that you raised it, because actually a blackcurrant shouldn't be substituted with a blackberry. They've got quite a different flavour. They're both black and that's about it. This is a much stronger flavour, and we all know blackcurrant cordial. And it's a really strong and punchy flavour. So we're just going to go and rinse these in a bowl of water before we get started.
Because why should we you should just wash them and pull all the little bits off, should we?
Well, if you've been picking your own blackcurrants, and they're quite hard to find unless you're picking your own, then what you can do is quite roughly pick them off the bush, and you'll find little bits of what I call flotsam and jetsam when you wash them, but bits of leaf and stalk, and we want to rinse those away and clean up the berries before we cook with them.
Perfect. You go clean up. We'll get ready to get started.
If you've picked your own blackcurrants, the easiest way to get rid of the leaves and the stalks on them is to submerge them in water, quite a lot of water, in a plastic tub, and you can literally just pour the top layer off. You might lose the odd blackcurrant, you can go, but it gets rid of all the little bits that you don't want in your cordial.
Okay, so we are all washed up and ready to go. What is the next stage?
So we're going to lightly cook our blackcurrants. So we're going to leave the sugar to one side and pour our blackcurrants into, this is 1 kilo of blackcurrants, and I've put it into 2 litres of cold water.
And how long do we cook this for?
Probably about 15 minutes or so, just enough so that the berries, the currants, actually burst and release their flavour, and the skin is where a lot of the flavour and nutrients, very full of vitamin C this as well. So just gentle cooking, kind of a simmer, I'd say, for 15 minutes.
Do we bring it to the boil and then let it simmer, or just have it simmer?
No, just bring it up to a simmer.
Bring it up to simmer. Perfect. Let's go. 15 minutes. We'll come back and let you see what it looks like.
Right, that's it. Been cooking for about 15 minutes now. The skins have all softened and all the flavour is being released from the blackcurrant. So,
smells amazing.
Delicious.
Amazing. Shall I hold on to this for you? So we've got a strainer and we're going to strain it off, are we?
We are. Now, it goes without saying that blackcurrant stains. And we're all wearing, well, you're wearing white.
Stand back.
So it does look like a little battle scene.
Oh, wow. £20 you owe me there.
That's a batch lady badge of honour. So it takes a little bit of time to sort this out, but what we'll do is we strain it through the sieve, and we'll eventually get back to nice clear juice, to which we add the sugar.
So just take your time with this, guys, and make sure that you get absolutely everything out, because you want to get all that lovely flavour. You're left with this pulp. You can pretty much see it's going to stop draining any minute.
If you really want to use the pulp, you can. You can add a bit of sugar to taste, but you have extracted quite a lot of the flavour out of it, so I just feed it to the chickens.
I'll move it out of the way.
So I'm going to put the juice back into the big pan and add the sugar. Beautiful.
Make sure you don't wear your favourite top when you're doing this. Anybody?
There you go.
And then how much sugar did we have again?
It's 1 kilo of sugar. So 1 kilo of blackcurrants, 1 kilo of sugar, and 2 litres of water.
And then we're adding this back in. It's really not tricky, guys. This is great fun. And we're going to end up with, if you've got lovely glass bottles, I take it that's what you fill it up with.
It looks beautiful, and you can't go wrong. And even the quantities you can vary. It's not rocket science. It's dead simple to do. So we're just going to take this back over to the heat and stir to dissolve the sugar and give it a quick 2-minute boil, and then it's done.
Perfect. Okay, let's go and do that.
This has bubbled away for 2 minutes now, and we're going to take it off the heat, and we're going to very carefully decant some into this jug, ready to cool. Look at that beautiful
Wow.
blackcurrant cordial.
Who needs Ribena when you've got blackcurrant cordial like that? Absolutely delicious. Now, when you are freezing it, you then want to put it in maybe like a soup bag like this. Is very good because it stands up tall and you can just pour it in. Or you can put it into ice cube trays if you wanted to do the big ice cube trays. But our top tip is if you do put it in this, because of the sugar content, is this right? When you scoop it out, you can actually just, it's not going to freeze solid because of the sugar content, so you can scoop it out. When you decant this, it is boiling hot. Don't start putting it into anything just yet. Just let it all cool down like this. And once it's cool, you can then start packaging it up and getting it into your freezer. You can make lots with this, can't you? I take it you can make ice-lollies and all different stuff.
It's great for adding to ice-lollies. You can use it in cocktails. You can...
That's my kind of...
Delicious.
Yes. Brilliant. Yeah, well, we might be having a glass of champagne after this and just adding it in as well. That would be absolutely delicious. Thank you so much, Harriet. Another amazing recipe down on the farm. If you want to follow me on The Batch Lady, do go over and follow me on the Batch Lady channels. If you want to check out any recipes from Border Berries, you can get it on the Border Berry website that I will link below. And this recipe will also be on my website, www.thebatchlady.com. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.